folks. I'm Billy Bob. That's 3 B's, 2 L's, I, a Y, and a O. It's real nice y'all could drop in on me today. Things gets kinda quiet here at Smitty's Super Service Station sometimes. What with the gas situation the way it is and all, we've had to stop selling gasoline altogether. Once it got past 25 cents a gallon, I didn't have no more friends what could afford it nohow. But things'll be alright soon, 'cause, as you can see, I'm making up a newfangled formula down here on the floor. Yeah, it's made of lots of good stuff, and it's in this little container, and it gets all boiled up and everything, and it comes out this long tube all the way down into this barrel, and I call it gasohol. Yeah, we can use it in our car, or drink it, and have such a wonderful day! Hey there, Looney Bird. Hey there, Billy Bob! Folks, I'd like you to meet my friend here. This here's the Looney Bird. I can't afford a watchdog, so Looney Bird here moved in to watch over my secret formula. How much gasohol we got so far, Looney Bird? Just a minute, Billy Bob, I'll go check and see. He's probably gonna measure real accurate, like exactly how much gasohol we got. We ain't got too much yet, Billy Bob. Oh, dear. I guess you better put on some more corn squeezins, huh, Billy Bob? Yeah, I guess I better. I just hope the Looney Bird don't become some kind of gasaholic. Hey, Looney Bird, it's time for your favorite part of the show. You mean it's time to go already? No, I mean it's time to get down and get funky, sort of. Roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Roast beef sandwich and a pizza. John and Jane and all the gang gonna have themselves a ball eating roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Roast beef sandwich and a pizza. All the fellas and the chicks getting calories and kicks eating roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Chomping to the music of the jukebox. Anybody got another dime? Chomping to the music of the jukebox, 'cause we're having such a wonderful time. Just eating roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Roast beef sandwich and a pizza. It's terrific, daddy-o, how the kids at school will go for a roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Just eating roast beef sandwich and a pizza. Roast beef sandwich and a pizza. It's terrific, it's the most, and it's happening coast to coast. Eating roast beef sandwich and a pizza. So long, everybody. See you next time.